All right, everyone. Hopefully everyone can hear me. I'm just gonna jump straight into this. If you're rewatching, just give me a second here. So we're getting a nice dump down just below the previous day valley area low. Right now we're getting a quick FOMO move up. Again, there was a ton of shorts coming in and longs closing on this move down. And now we're seeing a whole bunch of longs kind of FOMOing in here. Just turning on our net longs, we can see a nice increase in that long with not much of an increase in shorts right now. Right now I'm just going to be patient. It's going to get quite hectic and it gets really risky, not going to lie. But anyways, I am looking for potentially a quick move up on towards this previous day point of control. There is a good amount of liquidity up in these areas right here. Again, just moving into here, you can see there was a bunch of longs kind of FOMOing into here, as noted by the increase in net longs here. Not too many shorts, however, so I think a lot of people kind of missed that move. But again, that is a region that I'm looking towards, so that is about 20,562. I'll just take a drawing of a horizontal line on here, mark this puppy out, and we'll use that as a wick, I suppose. So yeah, there's going to be quite a lot of volatility here, especially in the first half hour. I doubt I'm going to take a trade until about 1:30 here, my time, so another good 20 to 30 minutes just when things start to die down. That way we can get in a good position. FOMC and the CPI are times to really get into good positions from my experience lately. And so you just gotta wait until it really dies down. So yeah, we are seeing quite a dump down. I was not expecting a sharp rejection out of that previous day valley area low. But nonetheless, we're seeing a large decrease in OI. It's just going to wreck everyone. Again, this is going to be a large decrease in OI either way. Could see a short squeeze, stopping out everyone, just liquidating everyone. So this candle is going to be quite predictable as the depth of market. You can see it's just going nuts. Probably going to slow down my computer. Hopefully we don't crash the stream. But nevertheless, quite a volatile candle, to say the least. I'll move this to 10 tick even. It kind of screws up the order flow, just having this massive candle. But just real quick here, turning on the daily. Just looking for shorts, looking for a short, at least taking out these highs, so about the 21,500 region, nonetheless. And ultimately, I would look for a good take profit at the low of this parallel channel. So far, this parallel channel has been respected in the highs, not so much lows, but again, if we do end up getting a rejection up there, nonetheless, the parallel channel will be respected even more as we are pumping past the previous day highs. We'll see if we can break through that. That is a significant resistance compared to pretty much this week. Monday and Tuesday, we've been pretty much ranging all the week here. I'll just turn on my previous week markers here. So we're bouncing quite nicely from the previous week valley area low. Zooming out a little bit more here, bear with me. The previous week valley area high is coming in around 21,000, which would be a swing filler pattern roughly of these highs up here. So that would be quite interesting, and then we start to see a rejection based off of that. But nonetheless, I do expect even more open interest to decrease here. It's going to really empty out the order books, in my opinion. So again, just be very careful in this, guys. Quite a large amount of volume. 148 million. So I'm just kind of seeing what happens here. I'm expecting a little bit more of a move up. Be really cool to see that previous week Valley area high respected. That would be a good short position. So I suppose I can take out that wick. Add a wick right here. Turn on my templates. Back to the 5 minute. Again, just a violent Darth Maul candle. Yeah, the depth of market is going nuts right now. I know there are trap shorts because I saw a monster amount of shorts coming in down here, which I think at this point they're pretty much liquidated. God, I just really wish I could kind of delete that candle. No way. I'll just kind of zoom in here. So just turning on net longs, possibility of some trapped traders up here. But on this low of the candle, we are seeing some longs coming in. So this could be bullish here. Not too much volume. I would like to see more volume being added to the point of control here. But the Valley area low of the candle seems to have a nice stacked imbalances of longs defending. A large amount of orders coming in the longs. Pretty good size. So, just to draw this all out, expecting kind of like this, maybe somewhere in there. Or if we lose that daily, come up and potentially grab the point of controls. That seems to be a strong support. If not, come down to the Valley area low of this range. But however, this is a point of control of this whole sideways range here. So I would expect a pretty decent bounce from that area. And for a price to possibly trade sideways a little bit and then get a move up. We'll have to wait and see. So scenario number 2, if this wick gets cleared, I would be looking, drawing a box here for this region here. So around 21,500, give or take. We can still come up in towards the weekly. I wouldn't be surprised if we do kind of tap the weekly and then get a sharp rejection based off of that. Weekly seems to be pretty significant, along with having nice confluence with the Valley area high of this whole sideways range. It'd be nice to see a good amount of volume traded in here, so we could possibly see a shift up of volume inside of this sideways range here. So right now what I'm seeing is just a lot of longs entering the market right now. Stacked imbalances of longs. Just continuing to pump up here. Whole bunch of shorts getting liquidated. It's noted by the rect up here. I'm really curious to see what the hike was. Or if it was a decrease. just bear with me. I'm looking on this on my phone. Unless anyone watching right now knows, I don't really pay attention that much. I think it was another 75. Yep, another 75 it looks like. All right. So same old, same old. Yeah, quite a nice pump. I really want to see volume start to die down, which seems to be happening. We're still at 13 million volume, which is quite significant. But we did take out the previous day highs. Just reading in the order flow here, quite stacked imbalances, which is quite somewhat easy to read. You can see right here, stacked longs. Now we're seeing a whole bunch of shorts coming in. Mostly fueled by the longs closing here, as noted by the decrease in open interest. I'm gonna be kind of checking my phone a lot here, but oh well. Yeah, previous week very low. We'll see if that's really any intraday level too. I don't really feel so bad about missing these moves. We could still get another nice setup here. What the heck was that? I thought I was drawing a fib here. Oh, I see what happened. Just kind of looking for a confluence here. So daily has nice confluence with a golden pocket. See here. We're rejecting out a golden pocket right now. Dang, kind of missed that one. I'd give it a few minutes here, though. Volume is dying down, so it makes it a little bit less risky, I suppose. But yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we give all this back now. Again, I'm not really entering any positions right now, but starts seeing some shorts closing. But yeah, that's quite a dang candle. Quite a candle. So potentially we can look for a retest of this area. Again, still a little bit more risk in this too. I honestly don't really start trading until about at least 20 minutes after. But if we see a reaction here, possibly can take it. Be high risk. Just a fair warning. So now we're seeing shorts closing. Kind of going back and forth here. But yeah, rays of hikes are staying the same. I was really expecting like 50 or 100. I think this really threw a lot of traders off too. But we'll see what we can get out of this. Yeah, Algo's going burr. Same as alerts. People's alerts are going crazy, I bet. Seems to be we're dying down here. Still on the 3 minute. But I really don't want to see like 10 million volume on this candle again. But in the meantime, let's take a look at the delta. Let this load here. So yeah, a lot of selling at the lows here. A lot of people got wrecked. Just major shorts coming in here. Major shorts coming in here. A good amount of volume traded here though. So it must have been some absorption going on. Just couldn't really see it too well, just due to how fast this move was. But just up in here, we're seeing a good amount of positive delta on the side here. Just no imbalances really, so just have to wait and see what happens here. But just interesting nevertheless to see trap shorts at the low of this delta candle. Again, that's not really something you could see in hindsight too much. There are more shorts closing out here. Longs closing out. Let's see if we get a rejection off of this guy. I don't like to see OI increase in here. God, so many dang orders. $500,000 short trade closed. And then I saw two 250s come in. So seems to be we're rejecting off of the 786, but this OI is a little nerve-wracking as we're seeing a whole bunch of shorts or longs coming in here. Even more longs coming in. Is your target entry? It's all good. We lose trades, or we miss trades. I want to beat yourself up about it. Take a look at TPO here. Still, we're hyper extended out of this range here. So I think there is some trapped longs in here, definitely. I'll have to wait and see what this candle does. But this is trapped longs. It'd be nice to see shorts coming in here. Right now, not too many coming in, but 786 I've noticed has been respected quite well locally, like intraday, compared to the golden pocket, just from what I've noticed. Oh, look at that, you can change the fibs. Let me add the 886 in here. Typically, you want to see a decrease in OI into a resistance. No signs to short yet, though. I'll let you know if I do. What's nice about these sniper entries is that you can get pretty easy invalidation. It's quite easy to calculate out your stop loss when we're live trading like this. Okay, so there was some shorts up here. Zoom out here. Still a good amount of volume up here near here. Wouldn't be surprised if the delta area here shifts up a little bit. So another rejection out of the golden pocket here. Again, this is very, very, very locally. I'm itching for a short though. It'd just be nice to see more shorts come in. As long as we can keep below this point of control here in the 786, and we see more shorts coming in, then I'll probably take a short. So far, so good. CVD line is still a bit hard to read. We'll see if we see some longs kind of FOMOing in here. So interest rates have reached the highest since January 2018 or 2008. So ES is pumping quite nicely off of that. Seem to be rejecting now. Delete some of this clutter. ETH is pumping. Yeah, it's pumping. Oh, I forgot I'm on log. I haven't really updated this in a long time. A lot of wick action. But it's at resistance like Bitcoin. Seems to be holding. Even more starts closing out. be really interesting to see a rejection at 21K. Bounce from the Valley area low to the Valley area high. Be quite a classic. Yeah, especially since we closed above the POC. I think last FOMC we rejected quite nicely out of Golden Pocket too. I could be wrong. I know this one was a Golden Pocket. Maybe this was a Golden Pocket too. So I'm just waiting a little bit longer here. That would be so nice, a rejection out of the Valley area high. Now we're seeing those longs close. Alright, I'm gonna take a kind of a high risk short here. Be looking to aim down at least to this. So nice 3-to-1 R&R. Yeah, we're seeing shorts come in. There we go, I'm short. Not financial advice. Extend this out. a look at delta. Good amount delta here. Good to see. Bear with me, I'm gonna zoom out a little bit here. Huge amount of long liquidations. Let's see if we can liquidate more longs even. Not as many shorts liquidated, but there wasn't too many shorts coming into. Oh, on the way up here, they got liquidated at VWAP. I see. See more longs closing out. I hope we don't range here. I always get nervous when we range. We are seeing a good amount of shorts coming in here. Good to see. Give me volume. Very nice. We're gonna liquidate all the longs now. Wow, just massive amounts of shorts coming in. God dang. Honestly, I'm gonna take profits at the value area low here. But this is looking good. Up 7%. Wow, we're dumping down. Massive amount of shorts. We'll see what my exact entry is. At this point, it kind of feels like I'm playing with fire. The shorts are closing out. It's a battle of shorts and longs. I'm really trying not to overanalyze here. Just a ton of buy trades coming in. Massive amount of shorts in the market right now. Yeah, that's quite a Ponzi move. I don't really know if you guys can see everything. Right now it just looks like a lot of bot trading. The correlation with ES is quite tight right now. They're moving side by side. It does look to be a double top though. I could be wrong, but we're getting a McDonald's sign up here. quite a move on Bitcoin. Be nice if we see another sharp rejection here, or another rejection. So far, so good. Just want to see those shorts start to pile in. A lot of longs getting pulled right now. Jesus, was that a long closing out? Yeah, that's a long closing out. It's quite the entertainment, Troy, isn't it? Quite interesting. Quite interesting indeed. Wow, yes, it's dumping quite hard. Adam, however, is at resistance. Just drawing stuff. might take an Adam short, not financial advice. I'm still gonna hold my Bitcoin long though. Wow, Adam's dumping quite nicely. Got a nice entry up here. This isn't like the biggest size, just warning you. Hold on, where'd my P&L guy go? So it was 30. It's a 6% stop loss. Honestly, looking to swing it down to $9. Going the daily here. Yeah, it looks like it wants to go down to 9. A good take profit would be let's see. Around $11. So yeah, it's been a minute since I shorted something besides Ethereum, for alts that is, or enter a trade even. So there we go, guys. 2 trades live on stream. No, I usually don't compound positions. I hold positions. Alright, I'm not really sure how many people are on. few bots are on. God, so many bots. Quite the day though, everyone. Let's see what Link is doing. Matic has been killing it. Looks like it's not really in any good shorting territory. Solana has been doing quite well. Still patiently waiting. So, good amount of shorts in this market. Oh, I backing it. Good to see. I'm still kind of iffy about 21K. Still kind of iffy about this being hit. What is tomorrow, Thursday? Alright, I'm starting to like overthink here. So, again, same with the plan for this scalp or potential day trade. I'm looking to take in profits here at the previous week value low, so around 20,200. Again, I get front ran a lot, so adjust accordingly. Not financial advice. And then, of course, on Atom, I am taking profits ultimately in between the $12 range here. So ultimately am looking to short this down to $9. So see what happens. We'll see what happens. Just kind of swinging that guy. So all right.